Today I'm going to be talking about generational wealth 360. This is the foundation of wealth building, and I'll be discussing what exactly is within this course package. Now, there are actually 3 courses in this wealth building 360 package. The first one is wealth building with taxes. And in this course, it talks about the background information and knowledge that makes all this possible. This course also gets into what I like to call errors in thinking and why everyone else is failing. I also talk about why this strategy works and will continue to work for generations to come. Because taxes are here to stay. Taxes are not going anywhere, and it is best that we use what we have and maximize going forward. Also, there are several ways to maximize your capital potential, which means that there is not just one strategy that is described. There are several strategies, but if you combine them all, it becomes just so much more powerful than trying to use just one method. And once you get familiar with the process and how things work, you repeat the process every single year, and you will continue to build on top of your generational wealth, meaning you will compound on top of what you already have. Never look back. Never try to convince others, and start with your own peace of mind. Because as I teach some of my students, you can never ever help anyone. You can assist, that is as much as you can do, but to help someone, you must do something for them. You must do a task, do actions for them. And if you take on someone else's actions, then your life immediately stops. So be very careful on trying to convince and trying to get others to see what you see. If you see the value in this workshop, then that is where you start. If others are supposed to come along on your journey or on a similar journey, then they will find the courage to seek out that assistance and proceed in that manner. Now lastly, if you cannot afford this course, then you don't deserve this future. It is very simple. If you cannot come up with the funds, just like if this was a life-threatening disease or if it was a life-threatening matter, you would go about your life trying everything possible to make life continue. And this is how serious this course is. Because if you can only imagine, there are many people out there, maybe including you, who do not own land, they do not own a house, they do not own any investments, they don't own any kind of basic foundational wealth structure. And therefore, they are bound to be impoverished at some point in life. Now, with a course like this, that absolutely changes. Okay? You must treat this as a life-changing opportunity. The price doesn't come down. And after the first 500 spots or 500 purchases have been made, the counter terminates and the original price goes back on this product. So instead of paying what you see on the website right now, and you see that little cross out number at the very top, now that number is going to change back to that number that was crossed out. So be very mindful that this is not an unlimited opportunity. This doesn't stay there. After a period of time, this opportunity will increase in price. For the simple fact that if you have the opportunity now, take advantage of it. Because later on, when everyone is flocking the opportunity, just like a regular stock, just like any other commodity that's in high demand, the price goes up. If you have any questions, you can definitely reach out to us from the website generationalwealthcourse.com, or you can send an email to support@generationalwealthcourse.com. We will be talking about the next topic coming up.